Hi, good morning everyone. It's Friedia here, and recently I got a package from Saturday Skin. It is the Pore clarifying toner, and I thought I would try it out with you guys. I just went onto their website, and I will say their website is the cutest thing. Again, you know how I am a sucker for packaging. Packaging so far has been just adorable. Look at how cute that is. Because I've been wearing a mask recently, my face has been sort of breaking out, and when this arrived I was like, oh, I'm so excited. The reviews for this is really good. I have clean skin. I just washed my face, and it says to apply gently to a cleansed face with a cotton pad, and you're able to use it 3 to 5 times a week. Sniffing, but there's a little thing on there. Also, something that I noticed from the website is they're offering a discount for a limited time, 20% off on this guy. Doesn't smell. I think it's a clean product, isn't it? There's no parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrance, or synthetic color. That's why it's clear, and it really doesn't smell like chemicals or anything, so that's nice. Figured it out. This little piece still wasn't taken off. Okay. Now it should work. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. It says that you can only use it 3 to 5 times a week because there is glycolic acid on there. But once you start putting it on, you can smell it more. And you can definitely feel the tingling. Not as hard as some other ones. So the way that I like to put any toner is always going upwards. Alright, I can definitely feel the tingle. I love the smell. It's not too strong. It's ideal for any skin type. Their website's really cute. It says it helps with pores, dullness of the skin, and uneven skin texture, and blemishes. So I'm hoping that it's gonna help these guys out, because I've been having a rough little month with my skin and my mask situation. It consists of 3 antioxidant-rich ingredients that synergistically work to balance while enhancing the look of pore structure overall, and it helps encourage hydration and renewal as a natural moisturizer factor. I'm super excited, and so now I am going to go put on some moisturizer, and let's see how this works for the next month or so. Yeah, thank you, Saturday Skin. You guys have a lovely week. I'll see you soon.